Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn faster with AI. First, clearly define what you want to learn and pinpoint any areas where your understanding is weak. Next, select an AI tool that best suits your individual learning preferences, whether you prefer visual aids, interactive quizzes, or detailed explanations. Finally, start by inputting your study materials, like articles or textbooks, into the AI for initial processing. This foundational step sets the stage for a highly efficient learning journey. Once your materials are loaded, leverage AI to summarize extensive articles and complex documents. This powerful feature allows you to quickly extract the most important concepts and essential information, often reducing reading time by 50% or more. By generating concise overviews, you can grasp the core ideas without getting bogged down in excessive detail, making your study sessions much more productive and focused. Now, move on to personalized practice. Ask the AI to generate custom quizzes and practice questions tailored to your specific learning needs, reinforcing your knowledge. Don't hesitate to request simplified explanations for any challenging topics. The AI can break down complex ideas into easily digestible parts. Engaging in interactive dialogues with the AI can further deepen your understanding, providing immediate feedback and clarification on demand. Finally, use AI to explore advanced topics and related subjects, expanding your knowledge beyond the basics. You'll receive instant feedback on your answers and overall progress, highlighting areas for improvement. This continuous feedback loop allows you to refine your understanding through iterative learning cycles, ensuring you master the material. With AI, you can achieve a deeper, more comprehensive grasp of any subject in significantly less time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.